that under the partnership with the UK, this is concessionary funding. All right? It is not a program that is on a commercial loan basis. It is concessionary funding. That is absolutely important based on the fact that the President has been talking about the need to look at how African countries can have access to credit at more affordable rates. So this is a package that emboldens all this. I think it's a win-win for all of us.
Yes.
30,000 people on a daily basis, moving in and out. Try and picture that. 30,000 human beings at any one day. You can imagine the traffic, the economy around it. So it is going to really be something. The second point that I would like you to try and imagine is that, remember, Kenya grew out of the railway system. That is how the whole economic system was wired, around the railway system. Now, a culmination of this is perhaps some kind of renaissance or a new process of growth for the economy.
In the same way that then the great capital for the region that I was born, we believe that at full scale this program will completely transform the economy of the city and the face of Nairobi downtown. So we are very excited as the county government of Nairobi and really grateful to our partners and to different countries, especially Britain, the UK, because they are our oldest bilateral partner, of course with our history together. We're now writing a new page. And so, even as the project goes along, we'll keep briefing you what the different steps. A lot of public participation is going to take place because there are many people who are going to be affected positively as we move along. But the county government is working hand in hand with the ministry, and the minister is here, as well as our partners.
And this is a signature project between Britain and Kenya, and nothing signifies the relationship than the railway itself. And to be regenerating this railway land and the railway projects and modernizing them is also symbolic to our relationship that should continue being regenerated and deepened and widened to make sure that we continue working together for the benefit of the people of Kenya and the people of the UK and the world. This is going to be something magnificent once it's delivered. I have no doubt in my mind that we'll do so. We'll do our part as a ministry and as a country, working together collectively with all the partners, partner ministries, with the coordination of our Prime Cabinet Secretary here, and we have no doubt that we are going to deliver this project.
Next April in London we have the UK-Africa Investment Summit, and our Prime Minister has invited President Ruto and many other, 25 countries in Africa to come to that summit. We hope the summit is going to lead to billions of pounds of investment, trade, business being conducted, and I have no doubt at all that this project here and how it's going will be a really important issue at that conference at that time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed.